Mr. Thompson here. We're looking at U.S. History Standard 12, evaluate how westward expansion impacted the Plains Indians and fulfilled manifest destiny. In particular, we're looking at Part A of that standard, examine the construction of the Transcontinental Railroad, including the use of immigrant labor. The large supply of immigrant labor available made the construction of the Transcontinental Railroad possible. Other critical components of the railroad's construction include public investments through land grants and guaranteed construction costs. The federal government granted vast areas of western lands to railroad owners. Railroad right-of-ways were 10 miles wide plus 400 feet, so railroads could sell the land to help finance the cost of construction. Generally, Irish and German workers constructed the rail from east to west. The owners of the Central Pacific Railroad, who were building the line from California, initially brought European immigrants from the east, but had trouble keeping them due to the proximity and lure of the gold fields. As replacements, the owners hired available Chinese labor in California and then brought in additional Chinese labor to complete the task. Chinese workers were paid approximately $28 to $35 per month compared to the European workers who were paid $50 a month to do the more dangerous jobs of blasting and laying the ties in the treacherous terrain of the high Sierra Mountains. The work was very dangerous, and many Chinese laborers died in the explosive blasts they ignited to cut through the rock. Many others died under landslides and heavy snowfalls before the completion of the Transcontinental Railroad. The completion of the Transcontinental Railroad connected the Atlantic and Pacific coasts. Workers drove the final spike at Promontory Point in the Utah Territory in 1869 to open the railroad. The ability to transport people and goods across the nation with the efficiency of the railroads opened the West to greater population migration. Manifest destiny was furthered by the connection of the West by rail.